Hey there, future millionaires. Have you ever dreamed of turning just $1,000 into a life-changing $100,000? I know it sounds like a fantasy, but trust me, it's possible. And today, I'm revealing the secrets that millionaire investors use to make it happen. Whether you're just getting started on your financial journey or looking to take your wealth to the next level, this video is for you. This is Masa Millionaires, where we focus on smart financial strategies, business insights, and building a path to financial freedom. Before we dive into investments and strategies, let me tell you the first big secret to turning $1,000 into $100,000, your mindset. The millionaire investors I've studied and interviewed all share one thing in common. They think big, but they start small. You need to believe that it's possible to grow your money and be willing to learn, adapt, and stay committed. So ask yourself, are you ready to shift your mindset from "I can't afford it" to "How can I make it happen?" Because trust me, once you do, the doors of opportunity start opening. Okay, now that we're on the same page, let's get into the strategies that can make your $1,000 work for you. Now, secret number 2 is finding high growth opportunities for your money. If you're just starting with $1,000, you don't want to settle for low returns. You want investments that have the potential to scale quickly. Let's talk about some of the top high-yield investments before 2024 ends. The first one, cryptocurrency. Yes, it's volatile, but with careful research, investing in projects with real-world applications can lead to exponential growth. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins have proven time and time again that they can skyrocket in value. However, always invest what you can afford to lose. Next, index funds and ETFs. These are great for beginner investors because they spread your investment across a broad range of assets. You're essentially betting on the overall market, and historically, the market grows over time, sometimes doubling in a few years. Millionaire investors never rely on just one income stream. That's where side hustles and micro businesses come in. What if I told you that starting a small business, even with just $1,000, could bring in an extra $5,000, $10,000, or more every year? With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Upwork, it's easier than ever to monetize your skills or start selling products online. You can invest that initial $1,000 into inventory, marketing, or website setup and watch your business grow. Remember, this is about creating multiple streams of income so you can reinvest your profits into higher yield investments. The last secret? Patience and consistency. I know you want results fast, but millionaire investors understand that building wealth takes time. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is sticking to the plan. Your $1,000 won't become $100,000 overnight, but by investing smartly, staying disciplined, and diversifying your income streams, it will happen. Trust the process. Now let's recap. Adopt the millionaire mindset. Invest in high-growth opportunities. Start a side hustle and stay committed to your goals. That's the secret formula to turning $1,000 into $100,000. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. And as always, remember, you're just one strategy away from becoming a millionaire.